We are the daughters of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well. Aquata, Andrina, Arista, Athena, Adela, Alana. And then there is the youngest in her musical debut, our second little sister. We're presenting her to you. To sing the song Sebastian wrote, her voice is